As a comprehensive cancer centre, the Catalan Institute of Oncology is committed to prioritising initial phase clinical research. Phase 1 research involves the initial studies of a new treatment carried out in humans. This allows patients access to new treatment alternatives and the early development of cancer treatments. The aim of the initial studies is to show the safety of the drug, provide administration guidelines for subsequent studies, and obtain initial data regarding efficacy. The initial research is carried out in the ICO centres in L'Hospitalet, Badalona and Girona, which operate in a network, sharing the different available trials and facilitating treatment local to the patients. The Phase 1 research at ICO is carried out at facilities of over 1,000 square metres, distributed between 3 centres, with large spaces that provide greater comfort for patients and their families. 15 researchers, 10 nurses and some 20 people responsible for coordination and administration work at ICO to perform the work associated with the clinical trials. The Catalan Institute of Oncology, ICO, is a benchmark centre in clinical trials. There are increasing numbers of patients who are candidates for a clinical trial, which makes it possible to progress with research on cancer and achieve better outcomes for our patients.